After logging in, you can change or manage your account settings from your dashboard right here.
When wanting to book a new lecture with the same teachers, you can go to the teachers section in the dashboard. As you can see, Johan has 2 teachers he takes lectures with and 0 scheduled lectures. Now, I'm going to book a new lecture with Prabhajit ma'am through the little bucket icon. I click on the bucket icon and it leads me to the payment section. I select the subject and I select the time and I select the payment. And as you can see, we have different payment methods where you can choose 10 lessons to or 20 lessons or 50 lessons and you get some amount of discount. Then we have the option of you adding money to the wallet or you paying via a normal payment method. Then after I confirm the payment, I am led to a thank you for your purchase page. Then I can click on go to my lessons and be led back to the lessons page where I can choose what lessons I want to book when.
After coming to your dashboard, you can access a lot of things from your dashboard. For example, you can text your teachers for information and you can look at your lessons, the lessons that you have to schedule, the lessons you had scheduled. You go to your teachers section and you can see how many unscheduled lectures that you have and how many scheduled lectures that you have. And your orders show you your order ID numbers. Your wallet shows you the balance that you have in your wallet. You can also redeem a gift card or gift a gift card to your friends or from your friends.